Local Memphis Live continues with your host, Amy Speropoulos.
Our next guests are making their United States debut, the Memphis debut, at Buckman Performing Arts Center tonight, one night to remember. Their vocals seamlessly flow with sounds of jazz, blues, mixed with drums, guitars, and filled with a whole lot of emotion. Whole lot of greatness, that's what I like to call it. Welcome to our studio this morning, the Sounds of Kolachi and band leader Asan Bari. Good morning to you. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for calling us here.
Yes, how exciting is this?
It is. It's lovely.
Wow. So what have you even, I mean, you're fresh off the plane, really, so have you even had a chance to, have you been to Memphis before? Let me ask you that.
No, this is the first time ever. Yeah.
Okay, so hence their debut. So what do you think about it? I mean, this is the music city.
Yeah, it is. You know, the birthplace of blues, and we've been hearing a lot about Memphis.
Yeah.
Since we were kids, we've been listening to this music that's been going on here.
Yeah.
So it's a great time for us to be here. Yeah.
And this is a show that is really for the whole family. I mean, everyone will enjoy it. So describe to our viewers at home what your music, I mean, it encapsulates so much, including your rich heritage and history.
So the idea was basically to experience what's happening in the world in terms of sounds, to bring all the sounds together and let these sounds collaborate with each other. It's not a collaboration of musicians, it's a collaboration of sounds. So we are basically looking forward to, you know, don't behave like an ethnocentric person who is like experiencing just one sound. We just want to experience everything from everywhere.
Yeah.
Pick it up something from Africa, fuse it with rock.
Beautiful.
Pick it up from our culture.
Yeah.
It's like mix up of like various food.
And which is always great when you mix it in a bowl and you stir it around. And yeah, absolutely. And I love the instruments that you use are just phenomenal. And tell us a little bit about, there's some history there too?
Sure, yeah. These instruments are the ancient Indian instruments. And this is a culture we have adopted from India basically after the partition in 1947. So this one instrument is a sarangi. You'll hear to it. You'll listen to it.
He's showing the instruments over here. It's the sargi. Is that what you said?
Sarangi.
Sarangi.
Yeah, it's one of the dying instruments in Pakistan, and this guy is one of the two sarangi players in Pakistan. This one out there is a sitar.
You got to show this down here. This is absolutely exquisite.
This is kind of.
Look at that.
A long-necked lute, which is an Indian instrument, basically. A lot of strings, 3 main strings to play.
So beautiful.
And yes, you'll get a chance to listen to these sounds. But the way these guys are using these instruments is totally unorthodox. They use the traditional stuff, but they pick it up from traditional stuff and then get away from it.
Mixing the traditional history with the new, and you have the beautiful sounds of Kolachi. You can still get tickets. You can come to see them tonight at the Buckman Performing Arts Center. There it is right there. Don't forget, it is one show and one show only. You do not want to miss them. Tonight, 8 o'clock, Buckman Performing and Fine Arts Center at St. Mary's Episcopal School. At the Buckman, there is their website right there. And we do also want to mention that they are here thanks to an incredible partnership with the United States Department, right? And we're really excited about that. So without further ado, here they are to perform for us. It's Center Street, by the way, Cultural Exchange Program of the U.S. State Department. Here they are, Sounds of Kolachi.
कालियां भूरियां कुंदियां भालियां कालियां भूरियां कुंदियां भालियां तेरी जुगालियां करने वालियां तेरी जुगालियां करने वालियां नदिया का पानी जीवन दे उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या जिसे नदिया का पानी जीवन दे उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या तेरे इश्क में जो भी डूब गया उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या तेरे इश्क में जो भी डूब गया उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या तेरे इश्क में जो भी डूब गया उसे दुनिया की लहरों से डरना क्या तेरे इश्क में जो भी हुम्मा हुम्मा प्यारी हुम्मा हुम्मा ओ स्याणी हुम्मा हुम्मा गुजरण को हुम्मा हुम्मा बिल बटारी